Hello everyone, Dana here from Dana's Electrical Services, and in today's video I will be unboxing this DeWalt 12 volts armor drill, and this model is the DCD805B model. So I bought this armor drill because sometimes I get some job to do and I need to drill into concrete or masonry, and based on where I'm at, the access to an electrical outlet is very difficult, right? So that leave me to struggle to find other alternatives to drill into that masonry wall, because I didn't own a hammer. I didn't own a battery operated hammer drill. I only owned a carded type. So I said I definitely need to get a battery operated hammer drill so I can drill into masonry and concrete without the use of a carded drill. So this is it right here. This is the box that it came in. As you can see right there, it says made in Mexico and the date is 2025. I see a code 24L122, not sure what that means. And so little personal shipping information at the top right. Well, I guess it's not so personal. We have some shipping information at the top right there. So this is the box that it came in. So let's see what we get. So this, before I get into this though, I bought this one on Amazon for 135 US dollars, but I realized that the price sometimes fluctuates, right? And there are different sellers selling the same model drill for different price, but I think it ranges from between 120 US dollars to 150 US dollars. So between that range you can get this hammer drill, and it is just the tool, guys. I intend to buy a 5 amp hour battery to go with it. The battery that I currently have is that I use with my other DeWalt drills. They are 2 amp hour. Yeah, I think they are 2 amp hours, and I think this hammer drill will take way more power as it relates to my impact driver or my regular driver drill. So I want to buy a bigger battery. So this is it. What else is inside the box? We get the manual, which I probably will never read unless I run into some problem, and I get this, I think it's a carrying clip. Let me see, where does this go? Where does this go? Not sure where does this go. So I'm not sure where does this carrying clip go. Probably need to check. Probably need to do some research to see where on it this clip go, but I think it should go somewhere on here, right? I don't know. I think it should go somewhere on here so you can hook it onto your tool belt, right? So this is the drill. It feels compact, rugged, right? We see like it have a little light feature there. I see something says 20 min, and then there's something else in the middle and something else to the end, and it can also rotate. Yeah, it can go up, so it can go up, or I can set straight down like this, right? This is the trigger, forward, backward, so the forward and backward button. if you have it in the middle, right, the trigger is locked so you can't press it, right? So forward, all the way over, reverse. If we lock it in the middle, it's locked, trigger is locked. At the top we have 2 speed, right? So 1, 2, right? Kind of looking at the top right there, it seems a little dirty. Not sure why it has that look, because this should be a new drill, so I don't know why it have a little dirty look. Not sure if my eyes are deceiving me. It's just the top right here that has that look. The rest of it looks and feel new. As it relates to the options up here, so you have a little arrow right there at the top. This should be the drill only, that is the hammer feature, and then you have the regular driving feature or screwdriving feature with 15 different settings, right? If you go through all of the 15, then you reach to the regular drilling and then the hammer drilling. See, we have a next little black look right there, you know, that little black dirty look. Not sure why it has those. So this is my first impression and unboxing. I'm going to do a more detailed review. I haven't used this one as yet, so I'm going to use it for a while, you know, test it out and see, and then I will do a more detailed review. So you can look out for that video, which will be coming soon. So when you see this video, you can search on my channel for the full review to see if it is uploaded, right? If it is not yet uploaded, you can just check back, because the full review will be coming soon. So this was another video brought to you by Danice Electrical Services. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel at Danice Electrical Services. Thank you.